Hi guys, Happy New Year. Here from Tiffany Renee. I just want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. Today is the first day of 2023, y'all, and I can't believe I have like this type of weather right now in January. So I know to some people that's up north, your weather isn't so great. Hang in there, it's coming. But here in North Carolina, like I was telling you guys in a previous video, like the weather just forever changing. It's not like we're super cold, and we don't really get too much harsh weather around here. And today's one of those days where it's like high 60s, almost 70s here. And what better to do when you have weather like this than get out and ride some. So got out, got to ride a little bit, and I also got some good news to tell you guys. Like, we hit 17,000 subscribers. Like, that's so exciting. Thank you guys so much for like continuing to check me out. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome to Tip Squad. So, and all you guys that are watching this video, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Like, I'm trying my best to bring you guys some very cool content. This year, 2023, you know, you guys, I've been telling you about some events I'm trying to hit this summer, and I'm definitely gonna get out there and ride. I just want to tell you guys that I finally got some exhaust. Like, I know everybody's been like, girl, when you gonna get some exhaust on that thing? When you make that bike sound like something? Thank you to Tab Performance, guys. I got some exhaust. So the exhaust I did get, y'all, I got the Bam Stick slip-ons. That's the ones I got. And I got the 4.5 because I weren't quite sure if the 5-inch would fit. Y'all know that Tab Performance makes the 5-inch. And because I have the Dominator Defender here, Dominator Fender. I'm talking about Transformers or something. Y'all disregard that. Anyway, but the Dominator Fender, I wasn't sure if the 5-inch would fit onto my fender, and I didn't want it to like melt my paint or heat up or anything. So I played it safe. I went with the 4.5, and they definitely worked out good. And I got the zombie baffles. That's what I have in the inside there. So I'm definitely gotta let you guys hear it. So now when I pull up, you guys can hear me. I'm not quiet anymore. if y'all out looking for some exhaust, look, Tab Performance, they'll get you right. So I want to explain, I did choose the zombie baffles, and I know some people was like, oh, like that might be kind of loud, but it's actually not even like that bad, because you know I have an upgraded sound system on my bike, so I wanted to still be able to hear my exhaust when I play my music and with my full face helmet on. So I did some riding around today, and I was definitely able to hear my exhaust, and it wasn't like a annoying sound or anything. I still felt it, I still heard it, and it was still a comfortable ride, nothing too outrageous or anything. So the zombie baffles are pretty good, pretty decent. So I have no complaints about it at all. They're not that obnoxious, like loudness at all, but they are just enough where you still can hear it when you like just, you know, rev your throttle up a little. So that was a good thing about it. And that was one reason why I did go a little bit louder, so I make sure I still can hear it a little bit. All right, guys, let's talk about install. Like, you guys can definitely do the install. It's not a very hard install. Hubby went ahead and installed them for me while I was at work. So you only have about 3 bolts that you have to unloosen to put it on. Of course, you take your bags off so you can get to your exhaust. But you only have, like I said, about 3 bolts to get to. Slip them right on. And only the hardest part was getting the old exhaust off, your old one. Getting the stock ones off. So had to do a little bit of work to pull those off. But outside of that, it wasn't a hard install. So you guys can definitely do it yourself. It's definitely a DIY. As far as choosing your finishes, your color and all that, of course, y'all know I have black. So I chose black, but they do have chrome for all everybody that has chrome. So you can choose black or chrome finish. I got the slash tips, of course, because I just think I just like to keep everything, you know, like a flush look. And because of my fender, you know, has like that little slanted look, I went with the slash tips because I thought it would look better. And you can definitely choose, you know, the slash tip or the rounded tip. And of course, I chose the slash tip just because I like the look of that better, and just the flow of the lines is why I chose that. So you can't go wrong with either one that you choose. It's definitely gonna be a good look. Loving the choice that I made to choose. Yes, I know that, and others know. If not, just doing slip-ons, it doesn't do anything as far as performance-wise. So it doesn't give you any kind of like boost or anything. Of course, it's more so for sound. Y'all know I'm not out here racing or anything, so I just want to be heard when I pull up, y'all. You know, stop. You know, I won't kind of hear it anymore, especially with music. So I got the slip-ons for the sound. Eventually down the road, I may, you know, look into doing like my headers and things like that for performance. So no, I didn't have to get anything tuned or anything because it's just for sound. So Tip Squad, if you guys looking for some sound, some exhaust, looking at Tab Performance, and you won't be disappointed. For those, you know, like I said, I know they're a company now that have the 5-inch. I went and played it safe with the 4.5, so I'm totally happy with that. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think of it so far. I'll let you guys hear it a little bit, and when I rode a little bit, I kind of recorded a little bit. So until next time, Tip Squad, I love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.